In this video, I'm going to be talking about the starter kit that I used to build the last 3 startups in the last 90 days. And I'm going to be walking through some of the projects, where they're at now, and kind of the future going forward on this channel, as we are going to be starting to document more of the marketing strategy now that these 3 products are built, and what I'm going to be doing to get customers actually using it. So the first project, this is the starter kit. I'll put this link down below, but the first project that we built on the channel was EasyFlip. It's EasyFlip.ai, essentially allowing people to take photos of items and get AI generated listings to publish onto eBay. I could just walk you through real quick how it all works, but it's really simple. The concept, it works for me in my workflow as I use it every day. We list a ton of clothing onto eBay. So this just really allows me to just upload photos into the bulk uploader and then have AI behind the scenes create the title, get the pricing, fill in the item specifics, and then publish them straight to eBay. So I have 15 concurrent paying users here, generating about $650 of monthly recurring revenue, and we launched it a little over 90 days ago now. So I'm going to be talking about our marketing strategy going forward with this product and documenting the process along the way. So far, I just use my YouTube channel to kind of funnel in paying users. I simply just release a weekly video on the channel every week, and they usually get between 1 and 2,000 views. Some get more, but just depends on the topic. But there's always a call to action in one of these videos that can always get a few signups if I release a video that day, which is really nice. So that's like the organic marketing strategy. As well, we have Instagram and TikTok. I'll be documenting that process along the way. Right now, we're in the process of rehauling and revamping a lot of the UI. This is more like version 1.0. There's a lot of other things I want to build and make it just look better user experience. And I want to document that process. Goal for the end of the year is to get this up to $1,000 of monthly recurring revenue. So the next one is called Magic Hand. This we released about a month ago, and essentially same type of concept where you're able to turn photos into videos, and as well as make one prompt edits. So, if you're wanting to, clear up some stuff in a living space or in an office or in a big house or horse arena, this is what you would be using, built for real estate agents or brokerages, to really help, spend a lot less money when it comes to editing, but also make editing easier. So we also have a Magic Hand service, which essentially you can click a button here, go into your photos, select all your photos, and then just hit Magic Hand, and automatically edits the photo for you. We have some agents working behind the scenes that do that, and really love this product. I'm gonna be spending more time now marketing it. It's not completely finished as far as like the social media. The whole goal was to allow agents to then like take their videos like this and then publish straight to like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, and maybe build in some type of scheduler here. But yeah, so we have photo edits, which is the main thing. This is where it shines. Here's the original. And then I said, remove everything in this room, removed everything in the room, remove pipes on the wall, and then add washer and dryer. So this is just where you can just prompt it to make edits. No edits with this one, but what I did with this photo was I turned it into a video. So that's another cool feature that we have where, maybe they don't want any edits to their photo per se, but they wish they had someone do a drone shot of their property. So you can essentially get a drone style shot with just one exterior photo. So that's pretty cool. And then essentially the social media is just like some adding your branding and then going straight to social media to post those that media. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with those two. This was more of a project that we built inside of Startup Empire School community, showing people how to use this starter kit specifically, how to set it up, how to use Claude code, and get it all ready to go. So I love this starter kit because you can ship a ton of these ideas from Idea Browser using this starter kit. It is so easy to set up. You can get it done within an hour. What I like about the starter kit, and if you don't know, is it has authentication, payments, and database already built in with modern UI and a lot of modern architecture, which is really nice. This is by Michael. He's here on YouTube under Ras Mike YouTube channel. I would definitely recommend checking him out. But this was released a couple months ago. It was really helpful for helping me build these 3 projects. So this one is basically a photo restoration app, restoring old photos. Very easy thing, to build, but also at the same time, I want to figure out how we can get some customers, either using TikTok or Instagram and copying viral formats that already work. That's the strategy that we're going to be using, is just not trying to reinvent the wheel, but looking at viral videos or media within the niche, and then basically replicating that, applying it to our apps. So we have 68 signups when it comes to Magic Hand. We've processed around 900 photos. It was released about a month ago. I haven't done much marketing on this project either, as well as a business partner of mine. But yeah, that's where we're at. My whole goal with this, and this is what I'm going to document on the channel, is from back when I used to do real estate, I did a lot of cold calling. So I was going to hire my cold callers back and have them at least start doing some outreach where we can start to at least fill up a CRM of brokerages that would be interested in this technology, and seeing if we can either sell it to them, implement them in their portal, or figuring out how we could do like a bulk discount for their brokerage for their agents. But I think that this can be really helpful for a lot of brokerages that are spending hundreds of thousands of dollars a month in media, video edits, photo restoration. This is something that can be pennies on the dollar, saving them tons of money. And I'm going to show you how we're going to go ahead and make money with this product. I'm going to be releasing a video every day on this channel, whether it's pre-recorded or I go live, just showing you the building process. Maybe we even go through a step-by-step process where we just straight up build an idea from Idea Browser from scratch, and then we give it away at the end of the episode or something like that. But let me know if this is something you want to see. This is something I want to keep very simple, very basic for beginners out there. I don't want to go into, the nitty-gritty of vibe coding and such. I want to be able to just get to the point. How can you go from 0 to 1 as fast as possible? How can you take an idea from Idea Browser and ship it as fast as possible? And then you can iterate from that. So we're going to be using this starter kit quite a bit to build out a lot of these ideas that we're going to be focusing on, and then as well as marketing videos based on the 3 apps we've already launched. So EasyFlip is definitely been the easiest to sell because I already have an audience, email subscriber list of 3,500 people, 5,000 followers on Instagram, 17,000 followers on YouTube, and 1,500 members in a school community, all within the reselling niche. So this was following that ACP framework of audience, community, product. I really do believe in that, except in this niche for real estate, I have no audience, I have no community, but I have a product. So that's why it might be a little bit tougher to get some sales, but we're going to show the process the entire way of taking your product, marketing it to a niche, and getting paying customers. So we are at about 700 here. We've made a few sales on this one. This one we're going to switch to a monthly subscription just because it makes sense. Right now we're just selling credit packs, but we'll be switching to a monthly subscription here, and then I'll be looking to market this as well, probably through TikTok and Instagram. So that's where I'm at with the 3 projects I'm working on, as well as what my plans are for the channel. I want to be more consistent. I want to show you my workflow, because no matter where you're at in this vibe coding journey, there's so many cool things that you can build, and the goal is just to start, right? So that's the whole goal of this channel, is to help you start, help you finish these projects. So let me know what you're working on down below. Love to hear it, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.